Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present easy to make chicken parmesan. If you crave chicken parmesan but don't like the fuss of the original recipe, then I've got just the recipe for you. This dish pops with incredible flavor and juicy tender chicken. Oh, and did I mention it's easy to make? Let's get started. We'll begin with our seasoning by adding some salt to a small bowl, ground black pepper, some paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, dried thyme, some mustard powder, a little oregano, and some parsley flakes. Mix thoroughly and set aside. You'll need about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Now for this dish, you want to remove as much of the fat as you can. This will help reduce the moisture level from the fat rendering. Now cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Place the chicken into an 8 by 8 inch baking dish. Now add all of the seasoning we prepared earlier. I like to add it just a little at a time and mix as I go. Doing it this way, you'll ensure even distribution of the seasoning without much clumping. It may seem like a lot, but it'll be flavoring our cheese mixture as well, as you'll see in a bit. Set this aside, and to a separate bowl, add 2 large eggs. Now I like to beat them slightly as it makes the mixing later a little easier. Add some heavy cream and some grated Parmesan cheese. I find using the canned variety works better for this recipe. Use a whisk and mix together to incorporate. Add the cheese mixture over the chicken and gently mix with your hands to distribute the mixture and ensure each piece is coated. Place in the middle of a preheated 375-degree oven for 30 minutes. Remove and top with some low-carb marinara. You can use a store-bought version or make mine. I'll leave a link in the description for that recipe. This is where most of the carbs are coming from, so you want to be sure it's low-carb. Use a spoon or spatula to spread across the top. Now add 4 slices of provolone cheese. You can easily use mozzarella here if you prefer. Top with some dried parsley. Place back into the oven for an additional 5 minutes to warm the sauce and melt the cheese. Remove and let cool for about 3 to 5 minutes. Pre-cut the dish into 4 servings. Serve hot and enjoy. Delicious. There you have it, folks, my easy-to-make chicken parmesan. All that great Italian flavor in an easy-to-make recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.